went over this face lock yesterday. Everybody, y'all remember this? Okay. So when I go for this face lock, I basically push this, I get armpit to armpit, I go over his head. Okay. I post on his hip, pull my knee in. What I'm gonna do is I'm slide my knee over and I start working my knees up. Okay. My elbow catches this and then I slide. Sometimes I can stop here, put both knees down, and I have a short arm bar. But frequently what I'll do is I'll slide to S mount and pass as this goes over. Okay, so I use this as an arm bar setup. So regular speed, what happens is I'm here, I'm trying to get the choke.
Nice. Where are you learning that at? Wow.
Sheesh.
Chris Griffin. That's hard. Oh, I like it. Picasso.
All right.